Hello guys, how are you today? I will tell you how to invest money in share market. You see the topic in search bar. The topic is how to invest money in share market. Share market is a huge market to invest money. You can do business in your house by online services and I will tell you the whole procedure about money to invest in share market. So please watch complete video, share and subscribe our channel. Then you will get more information about share market in this video, and I will tell you how to start investing in a stock. Mean to say a beginner guide. How does the stock market work? And we will tell you how to start trading online and how to start trading online and what is online trading platform and how to sign up for free. So dear friends, the most relevant information, 100% privacy protected, find what you are looking for here. Get the best results for investment company. United Kingdom 99% match and 100% sure. Discover us now. Easy access to information and we are going to our topic. Our topic is investment of, is a way to set aside money while you are as busy with life and have that money work for you so that you can fully reap the rewards of your labor in furniture. Investing is the mean to a hyper ending. Legendary investor Warren Buffett defined investment as the process of laying out money now to receive money. So, so dear friends, these are many ways to earn money online, online investment, online share market. Basically, any person want to do invest in share market, stock market, and stock market completes the following steps. If you that the thought of investment in stock market, you are not alone. Individual with very limited experiences in stock investment are either by the reality is that investment in stock market carries risk, but when approached in the disciplined manners,